Hey, here's another tip. Part 2. I wished I would have known this when I first became a custodian. Hope you enjoy. Have you ever heard the saying, work smarter, not harder? Well, today I was cleaning a set of bathrooms and I had finished the women's bathrooms up and I was just going to go into the men's bathroom and somebody cut me off. Like you was in traffic or something and somebody cut you off. They cut me off before I could get to it. So what do I do? And this is really good for someone that is new. I'm putting just a really quick clip video up of what I do in situations to where I get cut off and I'm in an area, and what can I do while I'm waiting on this person to come out of the restroom. Especially for y'all that post on here a lot about your supervisors and things like that. They want you constantly working and being busy. So I'm cleaning bathrooms and I'm getting ready to go in the men's bathroom and a guy just beats me in there. I want to run, beat him.
What you ought to do is just run over me, clip his ankles like a cart. He would do it again.
So what do? Do I stand there and just wait? No, I always try to look at an area of where I'm at and what can I do while I'm here right now, where I won't have to come back later. Or if you have that supervisor that's always looking over your shoulder, you don't have to work fast. You just staying constantly, consistently busy. I guess you could call it busy work. But if you can wipe counters, clean some windows, wipe some tables, then, give it 5-10 minutes and go back and check the bathroom and see if the person's done and see if there's anyone in there, then you can finish doing what you're doing. The thing about it is, guys, is to look around and see what you can do while you're in a place. It would save you a lot of footsteps. It doesn't have to be on your schedule. The thing is you have a little downtime right here that you're waiting on something and you can do something else. So I wished I would have known this when I first became a custodian. And check out my other video if you have not seen it, what I wished I would have known when I first became a custodian. It should pop up about right here, hopefully. Anyway, hope you enjoy. Have a great day.